Hey guys, it's J.A.Haunts, and today in this video we'll be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of Spirit Halloween's new for the 2023 season, Emmiline. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so this one I did get a few months ago. The reason why it's been so delayed is because I bought her when I didn't have the money, so I had to work. And yeah, now I have her. Her box is pretty damaged on the back. It is, oh gosh, it's crazy, but still awesome. So let's just unbox her. Here we go. Okay, so right when we open her box, we can see instructions up here. Let's just rip these off of here. I did not grab scissors, so that's gonna be a little problem. But yeah, so these instructions are, I say, they made the instructions really good this year. Of course, the techie right there. I guess this is just some cloth. And then we have the adapter. And then we have the instructions. So let's just take a look at these instructions. Pretty normal Spirit instructions. I mean, it looks good, but saying Scarecrows is kind of cartoony. But yeah, let's get into the more unboxing. I just need to grab some scissors real quick. All right, so for the instructions is everything. We have, guessing just, oh gosh, okay. It's gonna be a little hard. First, grab this. Everything, oh, is it a slide out? It's a slide out. Forgot about slide outs, but we're gonna tip the box over. Okay. And now we're just gonna slide. You guys can't see the best, but we're just gonna slide this box out, if I can. It's gonna be a little stuck. Oh, crap. Yeah, it's gonna be very stuck because the box got damaged. So it's gonna be a little hard, but we're gonna be able to do it. So let's get to a time lapse. So yeah. Okay, so back from the time lapse. Now we have her out. First of all, we got clothes, I'm guessing, or something. And then, oh my gosh, this is the most exciting part. We have, if I can get it out. Now, we'll save that for later. Oh my gosh, where'd my scissors go? Where are my scissors? All right, let's see. Okay. All right, there's a ton of zip ties on the bottom. Let's get these cut. Okay, there's one. We could actually, oh, what just fell? We could actually just untwist them, but I like cutting them. But you can also untwist them. So, oh my gosh, I always do it the wrong way, I swear. No, we're just gonna cut it. That's what we're gonna do. Because, I bet it's easier, huh? There's one, or no, that's two. Here's three. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Here's 4. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. There we go. And here's 5. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Here's 6. 3, 2, 1. And there we go. Cut everything. Oh no, we still got some on the side. Here's 7. Here's 8. Alright. Should be good. Here's a box of stuff, probably. Here's, okay, is there anything? Oh my gosh, this box is damaged. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Okay, here's the body, which I love the latex hands, really. And yeah, so here she is. So next, what's next? Oh, that has a zip tie around it. Why do they? Okay. All right. Next we got look like a mechanism. Do not want to throw that. Then we got, oh my gosh, how many zip ties are on this thing? Jeez. Oh, it's already cut. This one's not cut. Cut. This. You guys gotta slim down with the zip ties, my man. Got part of the base, I guess, right there. Then we have the breast, which, look at this contraption. There it is. Slide this box over. Let's get into the setup. Here we go. So we're just gonna time lapse the setup because I don't want it to be a long video. And yeah, so let's time lapse it. 3, 2, 1, go. So I know you guys didn't see most of the setup, but I decided to stop the video because it would be such a long video that I don't even think I could even export it. So let's cut to the demo. Here we go. So before the demo, I would like to show you guys her fully out. Here's her mech. It goes all the way up here. And I don't have weights currently, so I just put a table and a chest down and it works perfectly. So now let's get to the demo. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Alright, please like and subscribe before you go. Alright, bye.